I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you found yourself with locked funds on Coinbase, don't worry, here's how to recover them. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Start by accessing your Coinbase account through the website or app. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. Step 2. Check for notifications. Once logged in, look for any notifications or alerts on your dashboard. These messages often explain why your funds are locked. Step 3. Review account verification status. Navigate to your account settings and check your verification status. If your account is not fully verified, this could be the reason for the lock. Step 4. Contact Coinbase support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Follow up on your requests. After submitting your request, keep an eye on your email for updates from Coinbase. It may ask for additional information to resolve the issue. Remember, patience is key when dealing with support requests. Good luck, and I hope you get your funds back soon.